There is another way for show the animator editor. Side effects create some desktop. Desktop is essentially the UI you can use it in Houdini. You can have a different position of your panels or tools inside your interface. Side effects create some preset you can find inside this drop-down menu. From here you can find animate, build, games, grooming, image, labs, etc. etc. You can also create a new desktop or save your desktop, your current desktop when you modify some panels. I don't want to go more in deep about how to customize your desktop because I create also another video where you can find a lot of information for that. By the way, you can also click here and click on Animate. When you click on Animate, you can see your interface is totally changed and some shelf is changed with Animate. We can have here some tools for animation. We can have here the light and camera because maybe when you're working with animator, light and camera should be very useful, but you don't see any shelf about, for example, the effects. You can click here or here, you can here, and you can see with plus. You can go here and you can see, for example, our best friends. Where are you? Rigid body, for example, or particles, or particle fluid is not active. You can also click and you can active or you can remove from the tab. Any effects tools here or here. You can see the channel group, the channel list here, and our animator editor here. The network here and the tree view here. You can use that with these two views, but personally I don't find very well when you have when you're working, because here we don't have I love have more space when I work. So you can also come back to build and you can, for example, create your custom desktop. For example, you can split this from top to bottom, and here you can apply, for example, animator editor. Okay, and you can just have here the animator editor. Here you can have, for example, you can put another like animator, the channel list. If you want the channel list, you can put here and you can reduce that here. Okay, but the channel list you have here and here, so is double. You can also close that, or you can also, if you want, you can also close everything that you can have also the timeline. It's arrive like this, and you can split this into view, for example, split left and right, and here you can put, for example, the network. And this is should be your new desktop, and you can save the desktop here with save current desktop as, and you can save with your name. You can, for example, animator Matt. I love a lot also working with two screen. So usually maybe I have one for the viewport and network and one for the other tools, for example, another network or another parameters or another things like the animator editor. That should be also another way for show the animator editor.